This planet is being ripped apart by its own star right now. Imagine a world locked in a cosmic death spiral. We are about to witness the final moments of a celestial body. This is a glimpse into the ultimate fate of many worlds. Think of a world bathed in perpetual, searing daylight. This is the reality for many exoplanets locked in tidal locking. Now, picture this planet not just tidally locked, but actively being consumed. Its atmosphere is being stripped away, its surface is melting. The star exerts an irresistible pull, a relentless stretching. This generates immense internal friction and heat. The planet's surface temperatures soar, hot enough to melt rock. The star's radiation further erodes the planet's defenses. This is the grim reality for many hot Jupiters. The very fabric of the planet is being unraveled. This process shapes the very evolution of the cosmos. The universe is a place of immense power and constant change. For planets in close proximity, their star can become an agent of destruction. The primary culprit is gravity, specifically tidal forces. These tidal forces can literally pull the planet out of shape. This constant distortion generates tremendous internal friction. Beyond gravity, stellar radiation is another potent weapon. This constant barrage can strip away a planet's atmosphere. Some stars are prone to powerful flares and coronal mass ejections. These events can be catastrophic for nearby planets. Planets that are too massive and too close may simply be torn apart. Others might be stripped bare, leaving a barren, scorched husk. The sheer energy output of a star is a force to be reckoned with. WASP-12b stands out as a particularly poignant example. This gas giant orbits its host star at an astonishingly close distance. This incredibly tight orbit places WASP-12b in the star's scorching embrace. The star's gravitational pull is distorting WASP-12b into a football-like shape. This tidal distortion generates colossal internal heat. The day side of WASP-12b is perpetually illuminated by its star. The intense radiation from WASP-12 is also playing a crucial role. The star's ultraviolet light and stellar wind are stripping away WASP-12b's atmosphere. Astronomers have observed a vast envelope of gas surrounding the planet. WASP-12b is essentially being evaporated by its star. Scientists estimate the planet is losing hundreds of billions of kilograms of material every second. This lost material is gradually feeding the star itself. WASP-12b is not just being destroyed, it is being consumed. Spectroscopic observations have revealed a unique chemical environment. This chemical signature is a direct consequence of the planet's extreme environment. WASP-12b is a hot, dying Jupiter. WASP-12b is not an isolated case. The universe is populated with countless exoplanets destined for similar fates. Take, for instance, the planet KLT-9b, the hottest exoplanet ever discovered. At these extreme temperatures, metals exist as gases in its atmosphere. KLT-9b is also believed to be losing its atmosphere rapidly. Another example is 55 Cancri e, a super-Earth with a surface thought to be covered in lava. Some exoplanets are torn apart by tidal forces, forming rings or being accreted by the star. We've also observed planets being engulfed by their stars as they expand into red giants. The variety of ways stars can destroy planets is vast. These doomed worlds serve as cosmic laboratories. Could Earth ever face such a fate? The short answer is, not anytime soon. Our planet is fortunate to orbit our sun at a very safe distance. Earth resides within the sun's habitable zone. This distance avoids the extreme tidal forces and radiation. Our sun is also a relatively stable star. Furthermore, Earth possesses a strong global magnetic field. This magnetosphere acts as a shield, protecting our atmosphere. However, the long-term future of Earth is tied to the life cycle of our sun. In about 5 billion years, our sun will expand into a red giant. The fate of Earth in this scenario is uncertain. Even if Earth isn't directly engulfed, it would become uninhabitable. So, while Earth is safe from rapid destruction, its ultimate fate is linked to our sun. This cosmic timescale is immense, billions of years. For now, Earth remains a sanctuary. The story of dying planets are part of grander cosmic life cycles. Everything in the universe is born, evolves, and eventually dies. Stars are the central players in these cycles. Stars are born from vast clouds of gas and dust called nebulae. For most of their lives, stars are in their main sequence phase. The planets that form around these stars are shaped by this process. As stars age, they begin to run out of their primary fuel. For more massive stars, their end is far more dramatic, culminating in a supernova. These supernovae forge the heavier elements, the building blocks of planets and life. It's a continuous cycle of birth, life, death, and rebirth. Even the planets themselves have their own life cycles. Understanding these cosmic life cycles helps us to place our existence in perspective. We are, quite literally, made of stardust. The destruction of a planet is a vital part of this universal process. It reminds us that the universe is not static but alive with processes.